is an Alberta emergency alert. Alberta RCMP has issued an interprovincial amber alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. In support of amber alert issued in Fort St. John, BC, and at request of RCMP in BC, information issued on March 26th is as follows. At 11 a.m., March 24th, 4-year-old Liam Bellamy and 10-month-old Myra Bellamy were abducted from their home in Fort St. John, BC. Liam Bellamy has dark brown-black hair, brown eyes, approximately 4 feet tall. Myra Bellamy has light hair, blue hazel eyes, approximately 25 pounds. Children were abducted by their father, Jason Dalrymple, who is 36 years old, wears hats or toques, bald, blue eyes, light brown reddish mustache goatee, 5 feet 11 inches tall, approximately 200 pounds. Jason Dalrymple is traveling with mother Dawn Bellamy in a 2004 olive green Jeep Grand Cherokee, BC license plate, HT184A. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
I wonder when are they going to be found safe? Hopefully, fingers crossed.